Okay, morning year 10. Here we go again. Yesterday, really good stuff on circle theorems. I think most of you are getting a good grip on that. We're going to carry on this with the final four today. So that's something to just be aware of. Just a little bit of an update on the further maths course. Some of you will have noticed I've sent you a link for the OneNote page. Okay, there's nothing you need to do at this stage. I'll send around a bit more information. I'm just getting it set up. There's still a few of you who haven't replied, so this is sort of last chance really to let me know if you want to do it. Nothing to do yet. I have uploaded one video onto YouTube that you might want to have a look at if you want to get slightly ahead of the game, but more information will come before half term. Right, okay guys, let's get straight into the lesson then. So today we're going to do circle theorems, but I want to start today with a starter. All really good revision for the end of year exam, this. So I'm going to give you, I think you can probably do, I'm going to give you 6 minutes on this one. 6 minutes on this one. And when you're ready guys, off you go. Okay, that's about time. Here are the answers to that. First one is he sells a 3% profit, remembers the difference over the original, so 20%. Standard form 5.567 times 6. This one, the area, you need to work out the area of all of the circles and then minus it from the square, 54.93. These ones, this looks like it's an error interval question, so it's between 30.5 and 29.5. And in the simultaneous equations, yeah, get them equal, subtract, you should get x is 9 and y is also 9. Okay, so do check your answers. It is really important you do these each week, each time we do them, guys, because it means revision will be so much easier and your grades will just go up and up and up. Right, okay, so into the lesson on circle theorems. So, new title. Now, you do not need, circle theorem, circle theorems continued, and the date is the 13th. Now, you don't need to draw this out. This is exactly what we did last lesson. I've just put it here for reference, okay? So you don't need to redo this, but we are going to use this in the lesson today. Okay, we're going to look at the 4 we didn't use yesterday. So the 4 we didn't look at, or we didn't answer questions on, were circle theorem 3, 4, 5, and 8. So those are the ones we're going to focus in on today. Okay, so going to go straight in. Now this is where I do want you to, so e.g. 1. Okay, so we're going to do this one together. Diagram shows a circle with centre O, CE lie on the tangent of the circle, and CB, we know an ACB is 34. So I'm going to put 30, make that a little bit thinner. 34 degrees. Okay, work out the angle O to B to A. So that is the one I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find that one there. Okay. So, I think there's going to be a few rules in here that I'm going to lose. Let's look at my first one. So, I think number 5 is going to come into play here because I know that's an isosceles triangle. So, I know that and that is an isosceles triangle. So, I know that that angle there and that angle must be the same. And they must, so ACAB and CBA must equal 180 minus 34 over 2, okay? So, which is, what's that going to be, 144 over 2, 72. Okay, so I think that there, 72 degrees, they should all add up to 180, if I've done that correctly. Okay, so that's the first bit. I also know that a tangent to a radius, number 3 this time, is 90 degrees. Okay, so I know that whole thing. As I know CBO must be 90 degrees as tangent to radius. Therefore, OBA must equal 90 minus 72, 18 degrees. Okay, so that angle there must be 18 degrees. Okay, right, I'm only going to do one. That's a toughish example, to be honest. Your work today, you can go straight in with the Hegarty task. Again, there's 4 more tasks. 4 more tasks to complete. You should get through them in the lesson though, no problem, and upload to OneNote. Now, a few of you have still got to complete the Dr. Frost work. This is your last warning. By the end of today, at 4 o'clock, you will be receiving an academic concern if the Hegarty work from yesterday and the Dr. Frost is not complete. So just be aware of that. There are a few of you who need to complete the Dr. Frost functions work and also the Hegarty from yesterday. Okay, so don't get caught behind, guys. It's really important. Right, that's it for today, guys. I will speak to you again tomorrow where I'll be doing a few more sort of problem-solving questions on circle theorems. All right, thanks a lot. Speak to you soon.